Welcome to another amazing Discover English video tutorial. And now please welcome the magician, the amazing Tegan. Today we're talking about the incredible magic of English spelling, specifically the magic E. For my first trick, I will turn this plain, boring Matt into my mate, using only the magic of the letter E. Here's the secret behind my trick. I had the word Matt and I added a magic E and turned it into mate. The magic E is what's called a split digraph. When we put it at the end of a word after a consonant, the vowel before says its name. A in Matt becomes A in mate by adding the magic E. The magic E itself is silent, so you don't say it. You don't even know it's there. Let's look at some more examples of the magic E in action. For my next trick, I will turn this cap into a cape using only the magic E. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Incredible! Just like magic, using the letter E, I turned my cap into a cape. Let's try using the magic E with some other vowel sounds. Watch what happens to the words pip, knot, and tub when I add a magic E. Those words now become pipe, note, and tube, and that's the magic E. Thank you for watching another amazing English tutorial from Discover English. I'm the amazing Tegan, and I say goodbye.